My name is John Prydish. I'm the president and CEO of Success Partners. We're joined today by a lot of the Success crew. We have a couple guest speakers. Kevin Bouchard, 10 plus years of Epicor Kinetic. We also have a guest speaker, Michael Filios, the CEO of IT Ally and the author of Tech Debt and Tech Equity. The theme is how to really future ready your business. Sean's going to share some of his insights on how to take advantage of advanced production scheduling. We're going to hear some capabilities around advanced unit of measure from Tom, as well as the health check tool, which is a product we've come up with.
So when you're looking at an investment in your business, think about the long-term viability of a software company backing that product.
You cannot use data reporting to drive business decisions unless you have good data. The tool that we built is to help you figure out if you have good data. You can see that it's divided by area, by business use case. We've gone across all the different industries or areas in Epicor. We've built a series of VAQs, 180 different metrics that we've decided to track, and that number is still growing.
There's going to be a setup group. And what that does is it gives us visibility to start consolidating. So instead of reporting on maybe 100 parts going through a paint line or through a turret punch or a laser, whatever that might be, you can break that down into one job.
Average client receives about $175K a year on grants and around $2.4 million in repayable funding.
In the first 16 months, Athletica calculated a $225K ROI and it helped them grow from 5 to 19 million. Today, they're a $35 million company. And when you go live, it's not just one and done. It's a platform for continuous improvement.
I started working with Success in approximately 2010. They've been along with us every step of the way. When I have something really complex that I want to do and I want to cross the finish line, I reach out to them for help. We have everything in Epicor, from the initial quote to the final invoice.
We're going to take an approach here a little different, which is an open dialogue. So we're going to ask for some audience participation there as well.
Great question. I love it. I mean, listen, one of the most recent transactions we worked with was to not use the traditional means of how you justify an ERP investment. And what are some of those traditional means? How many heads can I take out? Who's been asked that question? How many headcount are we going to reduce? I'm saying change the paradigm. What's the value of your company today, and how much will it be after you get through this? We just justified an ERP investment for a client by saying that we're going to increase the multiple by 1 basis point. That's tens of millions of dollars of enterprise value to justify the cost of the implementation. Very different than saying, can I take out 4 heads? 90% of the time we're taking companies off of Excel and QuickBooks. They don't look at ERP anymore as discretionary. It's a must-do. So you already created tech equity. You've created some value by using technology by going to an ERP. If you're not maximizing or optimizing that asset, it's potentially sub-optimized. Therefore, you can slide back down the scale of creating a liability now or a tech debt.
Thank you for everybody for coming out and all the team that helped put this together.